Hello, the wonderful third graders. Welcome to the word study lesson, day 8. We know about 4 different spelling patterns. We are learning that for the base words in our CVVC and CVCC categories, we do not double when we add the suffix ed or ing. For base words that end in the CVC categories, we double the final consonant. And then for base words that end in the CVCE pattern, we drop the final E and then add ed or ing. So let's think of some new base words and then add our suffixes ed and ing. Remember that they have to be verbs, okay? So pause this video and come up with new examples of base words. Make sure you have at least 3 verbs, and then we're going to organize these words in our learned spelling patterns. So now it's the time for you to pause the video and write down 3 verbs. Okay, here are the 3 verbs that I wrote, that I found in the chapter we read today. The first base word is lean. So I need to mark my vowels. E is a vowel and A is a vowel. So I know that this is going to be the CVVC spelling pattern. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. And when I have a CVC spelling pattern, I am just adding ing and ed without any doubling and without skipping anything. So leaning, and leaned. The next word that I found in my chapter is the word step. This one is in the CVC spelling pattern. So when I have a CVC pattern, I need to remember to double the final consonant, right? So stepping, double that P, and stepped. And the last word that I have for you for today is fill. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. So we all know that this is going to be CVCC pattern. And when I have a CVCC pattern, I'm just adding ing and ed without any changes. So fill, filling, and filled. So lean, leaning, leaned, step, stepping, step, fill, filling, filled. Good luck with your words. Keep up the good work.